How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove Nissan Rogue back seat. So in order to go ahead and remove the back seat off your Nissan Rogue, it's going to be extremely simple. It's going to look something like this at the back of your vehicle. So what you want to do is to focus on this plastic cover right here. So you just want to first get this removed because the bolts and nuts is going to be right below this specific plastic cover. So you want to go ahead and remove all the plastic covers for both sides. So basically we have this one and we have that one. And then it will simply look something like this. Just make sure that you removed everything. There's going to be different sizes in order to remove this. And from there you should be good to go. It's that simple. And of course, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.